Am I the only one that had no idea how to play Mahjong? Time to change that in just 2 minutes. Alright, let's start with the basics. Mahjong is a game played with 144 tiles. These tiles are split into 3 main categories: characters, bamboos, and dots. There are also honor tiles, winds and dragons. Characters have Chinese numbers on them, bamboos look like sticks, and dots are, well, dots. Honor tiles include winds east, south, west, north, and dragons red, green, white. Now let's talk about the setup. Each player starts with 13 tiles and takes turns drawing and discarding tiles to form a winning hand of 14 tiles. The goal is to create 4 sets in a pair. Sets can be a pung, 3 of a kind, a chow, a sequence of 3, or a kong, 4 of a kind. When it's your turn, draw a tile from the wall or the discard pile. If you make a set or win, reveal your hand. And don't forget to call out what you pick up, like pung or chow. Now scoring. Different hands have different point values. The more complex, the higher the score. And that's it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Grab some friends, shuffle those tiles, and start playing. You'll be a Mahjong master in no time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Before the game starts, players build a wall with the tiles. The dealer is determined by rolling dice. The dealer distributes 13 tiles to each player. Players then arrange their tiles and the game begins. Basic strategy involves knowing which tiles to keep and which to discard. Focus on forming sets and pairs to complete your hand. Pay attention to what other players discard and pick up. With practice, you'll develop your own strategies and improve your game. Enjoy the game and have fun with friends.